We've got Kunal Bothra as well as Vaishali Parekh now joining in. And Kunal, let's get a new take on the index. A pretty flat close, but it was 2 days that we did see a rebound kick in. What do you make of the index in light of the kind of global developments that we've seen? Does that change now the direction?
Good morning, Avan. So, I think short-term wise, it could probably dent the prospects of the indices. It could bring in that added degree of volatility. So, in the last 3 days, there were two parts of the markets which had been a bit more better. One is the market breadth had started to improve. Large cap stocks started to participate on a consistent basis over the last 2-3 days. And the second and the most important part is a significant drop in India VIX, where I think from 13 odd levels, we had gone down to 10.4, 10.5 on the India VIX, and that's a significant drop in the volatility index. The RBI event also out of the way, and no major impact for the markets. So I think on the back of it, we were expecting the markets to be a lot more stable, maybe grinding up just around that 90,600 to 700 mark. But I think after the geopolitical news flow over the weekend, there's got to be a lot more volatility. So we'll have to see how the markets shape up in the first couple of hours, whether there's any major amount of position unwinding which happens or short built up on the index futures. I think that could determine the near-term trend.
Particularly, Vaishali, hi morning firstly. What do you see for financials and the bank Nifty in particular? Well, last week, HDFC did try and contribute a little bit. You saw underperformance from ICICI Bank, but then there was extreme strength in the Bajaj Finance. What do you foresee for this week?
Very good morning. So first of all, I would like to say that yes, market is somehow holding on well. So there is a sector rotation, you may say stock rotation. So banking stocks were taking the beating. We are not still getting any conviction for ICICI Bank or Axis Bank. But yes, as you rightly said, Bajaj Finance, Bajaj Finserv, we have a bullish view from since 2-3 days we've been seeing in Bajaj Finance. There has been a good build up, and technically also it is our recommendation from here on. We would recommend a buy in Bajaj Finance because technically I'm looking at a projected target of 87, 8800. So keeping in mind of this target, I would say 7700 should act as a very good support. So this would become a buy at every decline for a target of 87 to 8800. And likewise, now Bajaj Finserv is also picking up because that was still quite, very, very complacent. But now we see a good momentum coming in on Friday. We saw a very strong bullish candle and a good volume tick also. So I would say now that 1550 should act as a support, and a positional buy would be recommended for a target of to start with 1700, 1750. So both these stocks, in fact, not only these frontline, but have a look at L&T Finance. L&T Finance also is picking up great strength, getting into a trend. So overall, in the financials, I think I have a positive view, and it should be bought at every day.